In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment. And for this purpose, we're going to go into, this is a second grade assignment here on my account. But you can go ahead and go into your art lesson. So you want to select the lesson that you want to submit. And for this one, I'm going to select the week of April 6th, the first lesson that's due. And then you'll go ahead and do the lesson here. You'll read the instructions, click on a video if there needs to be a video. And then once you're done that picture, for example, this is a portrait of Picasso's collage. Once you've done your collage picture, you then go back into your lesson here if you haven't already pulled it back up. And then you'll see at the top here, submit lesson. So go ahead and just click that button. And to click the lesson, you want to upload a file. So your screen should look something like this. To do this, you would go ahead and choose File right here. And you can either take a photo or a video of your, that's the option, of your art project, but I don't want video, so take a photo. So you could click the camera and you'd actually take that picture. What I like to do is take the picture first, and then when I take the picture on the device, for example, this is an iPad, the picture is already in my files, in my library on my iPad. So once it's in your library iPad, on the iPad or your device that you're using, you would click Photo Library. So that's what I like to do. So I click Photo Library, and this is going to take you to your pictures that you've already saved on the device you're using. So I click usually the recent ones. If you click all, it's going to just bring up everyone, which is okay. You can click any one of these. I'm going to click on Recently Added. And when you click on the Recently Added, any photos that you've just recently put in here will show up. And you just click on the photo that you want to upload. So you want to click on your art assignment. For example, I'll just click on this example that I put in for one of my 5th grade icons. You click the photo that you want to upload, and then you'll see the photo. It's a little tiny version of it right here. There's one photo that has been uploaded, and then in the comments you can click on, you can write comments if you want to. A little comment if you had trouble or if you liked the lesson. That's optional. You don't have to click on comments. And then hit Submit the Lesson. It'll show the lighter blue square that it's submitting. And this was pretty slow, so you can see how slow this was. And so when you've already submitted the assignment, if you notice up at the top here, it changed to resubmit. So that's your verification that yes, you did submit the assignment. And you don't need to resubmit another one if you've already put your picture in. Okay, and then you can go to Next, or you can just X out of the program once you've done your assignment. If you hit Next, it should take you to the next assignment, which is Lesson 2, Abstract Trees, for this 2nd grade student. Now, they don't have to do the assignment right now. This is for next week or another week. So that's how you would submit assignments.